In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Wix. Tutorial for beginners. Open your browser and head to wix.com. On the home page, click Log In. If you're new to Wix, you'll see options to create an account. The quickest route is Continue with Google, which lets you sign in securely without setting a new password. Once you're in your dashboard, click Create New Site. Wix will ask how you want to begin. You can start chat with the Wix AI assistant, which guides you with questions and builds a first draft for you. Or choose Setup without chat if you prefer a faster, more manual path. Either choice works. Go with what fits your style. You'll be prompted to describe what your site is about. Keep it simple and clear, like photography portfolio, consulting services, or local bakery. Next, choose a name for your website. This is mainly for your workspace and can be changed later, so don't stress if it's not perfect yet. Click Continue. Wix will now ask about your goals. Think about what you want visitors to do: book appointments, read articles, contact you, or buy products. Type those in and click Continue. Based on your goals, you'll see suggested apps such as bookings, blog, or an online store. Review the list, check anything you need, and then click Add and Continue. You can always add or remove apps later. Click Design Site to move into the creative part. Here, you have two good options. You can customize a template, where you choose a pre-designed layout and tailor every section yourself. Or, for a faster start, select Generate a Design with AI. If you use the AI route, review the design it creates and click Continue with this design when you're happy. Next, click Continue to the editor. This opens the Wix drag and drop editor, where you can refine text, swap images, adjust colors, and rearrange sections. Take a moment to set consistent fonts and colors so your site feels cohesive. Preview the mobile view as well to make sure everything looks great on smaller screens. When you're ready to go live, click Publish in the top right. Wix will generate a free web address you can use right away. After publishing, click View Site to see your site live in a new tab. If you make changes later, just publish again to update the live version. That's it. You've created a Wix website from scratch, set your goals, picked your apps, designed your pages, and published for the world to see. Save your work as you go, and don't be afraid to iterate.